Welcome to Blanco's Icon Farmhouse Sink Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through some critical factors to take into consideration before you install your Icon sink. This will help you effectively plan your renovation. The Icon was the world's first farmhouse sink made of Sil granite, a patented granite composite sink technology exclusive to Blanco. Icon is finished on all four sides and provides more installation freedom compared to other farmhouse sinks. It also has a subtle flare from top to bottom, requiring custom cabinet inserts. The Icon is available in 4 different sizes, 2 different bowl configurations, and a variety of colors, giving you over 35 different models to choose from. 2 important factors you need to take into consideration when planning your Icon sink installation is your countertop fabrication and cabinet construction. Countertop templates are not included with the sink due to the level of customization required. Your countertop fabricator will need to use the actual sink for templating prior to fabrication. When planning the fabrication of your countertop, we recommend an undermount installation. For a streamlined look, make sure the top of the sink aligns with the top of the cabinet and choose a thin countertop profile. If your cabinet maker installs the sink so the top rim sits higher than the top of the cabinet, your countertop fabricators may need to use a thicker countertop profile and cut the notch out of the counter to fit around the apron. You can also choose your preferred sink reveal. We always recommend an 1/8 of an inch reveal for all Blanco sinks. This provides enough space around the sink opening for accessories. You can also install your Icon with a flush mount or slightly elevated installation, exposing the top rim of the sink. For this type of installation, the countertop will meet the outside of the sink and the sink will be raised slightly above the countertop. The gap between the countertop and sink will need to be sealed. For both flush mount and undermount installations, we recommend the apron extends at least 3 inches to accommodate the full radius of the outside apron corners. This will help determine the size of the cutout hole needed for your countertop and the placement of your faucet. A custom sink base and reinforcement system are required to support the weight of the Icon. The cabinet area beneath the sink must be reinforced to provide support for up to 400 pounds. Ensure you have proper clearance for the faucet, water supply lines, drain assembly, and garbage disposal system while maintaining the structural integrity of the cabinet. The cabinet panels on each side of the Icon will need to be custom cut to fit the 2-degree vertical apron angle. A cabinet fabrication template is included with the sink and can also be downloaded from our website. However, your cabinet maker should still use the actual sink for templating prior to cabinet construction. For more information about the Icon sink, please visit our website.